This 2023 Prime Time Avenger 3.2 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Prime Time is 37 feet 6 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a DUSK interior, sleeps 10, spare tire kit, oven, slideout, refrigerator, awning, Colorado Detector, external shower, air conditioning, stove top burner, water heater, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Prime Time Avenger 3.2 BHS is 7,939 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.